So some days ago, I dropped a mind-blowing update on how you can trade crypto arbitrage without the use of bank card. Despite the fact that it was kind of risky, most people that took advantage of it are already making money from this platform. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this platform and start making money for yourself. So before I proceed, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also join my Telegram community to get quick updates and get free trading signals. And as well, follow me on Twitter at simply_DMO where you can engage with me properly. So with that being said, let's move. Now remember that on my previous video, I made a comment that says, once I trust this platform, I'm going to deposit more money, then I take advantage of it now that it's new. And as you can see, that is what I just did. I deposited $1,000 2 days ago. And with that $1,000, I'm already on $20 profit within the last 2 days. And from what I saw about this platform, I think you should take advantage of this platform now that it's new. So if you haven't watched the first video I made about this platform, you just have to check the link at the top right corner. And if you're a new member, you just have to click the link below to get started. And after you click the link below, it will take you to this section where you just have to input your country code number, then input your phone number, and after that you just got to click on this option that says send verification code, and they're going to send verification code to your phone number. Then you just got to input it and click on next step. Or if you already have an account, you just got to input your phone number, then click on login. And with that, it will take you to your dashboard just as you can see. And when you click on this home button, you'll be able to see all the functions on this platform. You'll be able to know more about this platform by clicking on this about WOTC, and also you'll be able to see the rule on how this platform works and how you'll be making money from this platform. And you can also download their mobile app directly from their website or Play Store. And if you want to speak to their support system, you just got to look closely, then click on customer service, and it will take you to Telegram directly. One cool thing about this platform is their offline campaign. When you come to the worldOTC announcement channel, you'll be able to see this their offline campaign. Everything they are doing is being documented here, and you can see that they are going from country to country, building more communities even to Africa and Nigeria. And this is the way they give more awareness about their platform and build more community around their projects. And this is done because they have been given certificates to operate as a legal tender across all the countries they visit. So from your home screen, you just got to click on certification, then you'll be able to see all the certificate that is being given to this company from different countries. And another cool thing is that when you click on this notice, you'll be able to see this information that says each user first deposit amount exceed 50 USDT can enjoy a 5% discount. That means upon your first deposit that exceed 50 USDT, you are going to be credited 5% discount on the deposit amount. And for you to do that is by contacting the customer service by just going to your home section, then click on customer service. So if you want to know more about this platform, you just have to click the video link on the video description below to understand more about this platform. Now, if you are still contemplating and you are wondering how much you'll be making when you join this platform, you just have to click on this icon that says rules. And on this section, you'll be able to find all the percentage return you'll be getting. And you can see that by starting with $10, you'll be getting $0.32 at the end of the day. And when you start with a minimum of $50, you'll be able to see that you'll be earning $1.6 every single day. And remember, every transaction closes in every 3 hours. That means you'll be trading 8 times a day for you to get your full profit. But there is a way you can automate this transaction whereby a bot will be running all the transactions for you on a daily basis by using a script. And if you want that video, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to show you how you can use script to automate your transaction on the next video. Now you can see that by using $100 as a capital, you'll be making $3.2 every single day. That is 3.2% on a daily basis. And you can see that by using $1,000, you'll be making $32 on a daily basis. That is when if you trade the 8 times a day. And that is what I did. Despite the fact that I'm still inconsistent, I'll be able to make extra $20 in the past 2 days. And this is done without the use of scripts. And you can also see this information that says that if you invest $1,000 on this platform, you can earn $4 every 3 hours and $32 every single day. And after 23 days, your principal plus your income will be over $2,000. That means after 23 days, you'll be able to double your money from $1,000 to $2,000. And this is by trading 8 times a day. So on that note, since you are a new member, once you come to your dashboard, the first thing to do is to click on this your personal information. And on this your personal information section, you can modify your username, and you can also modify your password, and also modify your withdrawal address, which is your TRC20 withdrawal address. And to do that, you just got to click on modify on the section you want to edit. Then after that, you just got to click on the security center, and on this section, you just have to bind your your account to Google Authenticator, and it is very easy to do. And if you don't know how to do it, you just have to watch the first video, then you'll be able to get the full knowledge on how I bind my account to Google Authenticator. And one most important thing for you to do is to verify your account before you can withdraw your funds. And for you to do that, you just got to click on this identity authentication, and with that your account will be under review, and after some time it will be verified. There is one important information you need to know before you start trading. When you come to the home page, you'll be able to see this information that says earn 15% commission. When you click on it, it will take you to this section whereby you can see that you'll be earning 15% commission rate from your direct referrals, and also 10% commission rate from your level 1 affiliate referrals, you understand? And by the time you refer 10 people, you will earn extra 10 USDT, and by the time you refer 20 people, you will earn extra 20 USDT, just as you can see. And you can earn up to 100 USDT by just referring people, and this 100 USDT you are earning is an external reward given from the platform. And once you complete the threshold, you just have to click on this icon that says receive, and it will be credited to your account. And with that, you can double your earning as you are using this platform to make money for yourself. Now, there is one important factor you need to take note here, because we are making money from this platform does not necessarily mean that we are 100% safe. This all involves our personal risk, and it is already paying us, but we need to apply wisdom on any financial transaction we are doing online. So with that, make sure you do further research and invest what you can afford to lose, because I'm not a financial advisor. And the mind of you using this platform should be a personal decision, but you need to know that taking risk pays a lot, and with that you'll be able to earn even more money for yourself now that this platform is new. So make sure you take advantage of this platform and take action now. And don't forget that I'll be updating you on any information I get about this platform, so make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. So the first thing to do after your account is being verified, you just have to come to this your mind section, then click on recharge. That is to deposit your account. So all you just need to do is to copy this address, you understand, then send USDT, which is on the TRC20 network, to this particular address, and the minimum you can send is 10 USDT, because that is the minimum you can trade. And after a few minutes, it will reflect on your WOTC account, just as you can see. So the next thing to do after a successful deposit is by trading, and for you to trade, you just have to click on this transaction all, and on this section you'll be able to see your total asset you have on your account, and also your transaction history. And you can see that I already have a running trade of $500, and I'm going to use this remaining $500 to show you how to place trade on this platform. So for you to make any trade, if I want to use my entire wallet, I just got to click on all. Then my entire wallet will reflect on this my transaction price. Then I just got to click on featuring, but I'm not going to trade everything. I'm just going to input $400, and by the time I click on start featuring, you'll be able to see that the crypto we are trading is BSV, and you can see that the MSB certificate service provider is worldOTC, and you can see that the trading price is $59.46, while the transaction price is $59.697, and the amount is $400. So all you just need to do is to click on start trading, then wait for it to load up. And on this section you can see that earnings and funds will be automatically deposited into your account after 3 hours, and the other number is this, while the transaction amount is 400, and the profit after these 3 hours is $1.6. So in total I'll be credited $401.6 after 3 hours. So I just got to click on confirm, and with that the transaction is successful. So by the time I refresh this page, you'll be able to see that my wallet section is now 100, while my in the transaction is now 900 USDT. So that is just basically how to make transaction on this platform, and you can see that I have multiple trades running. Now the reason why I left $100 on the wallet is for me to show you a live withdrawal from this platform to my account. And from my last video, you'll be able to find out that all withdrawals from this platform is swift, and you can withdraw anytime, any moment you like from this platform, and it only takes not more than 5 minutes for it to arrive on the wallet address you withdraw to. So after some time and you have made profit on this platform and you want to withdraw your funds and your earnings, you just have to come to this your mind section, and on your mind section you can see these two options that says recharge and withdraw. So you just got to click on withdraw, and automatically it will take you to this section whereby you just have to input the amount at which you want to withdraw. Then you just got to input your Google Authenticator and click on submit. Now after inputting your Google Authenticator, you can see that I'm going to be credited 97 USDT. So I just got to click on submit and wait for it to load up, and automatically the withdrawal is successful. And upon checking my account and I come to this transaction all, you can see that my wallet balance is now less than 100 USDT. So that's just basically how to withdraw from this platform, and within few minutes your withdrawal will be successful. So that is just basically how this platform works. And if you have any question and you enjoy this video, make sure you like this video, and also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And as well, use the comment section for your compliment and question where you get reply instantly. And as you all know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.